This video will be looking at types of tasks. We'll be describing the different types of tasks and changing a task type. In Microsoft Project, you have three types of tasks. That's fixed unit, fixed work, and fixed duration. And depending on which of these you select will affect the scheduling of your project. And a way of understanding these is by looking at the scheduling formula. Work equals duration times assignment units. And by work, we mean the total amount of work needed to complete the task. Duration is the time it will take to complete the task, and assignment units is the number of resources and/or the percentage of resources time allocated to the task. And if we look at the first type of task, fixed unit, and this is the default option that project will set, this is when the assignment unit remains constant during changes. So, for example, if you have two resources assigned to a task and one of those resources is removed, it will not have effect on the other resource. Fixed work is the second type of task, and this is when the user sets the duration of the task and then project will automatically assign the effort required. So, for example, if two people are assigned to one task, Microsoft Project will automatically split the resource allocation 50-50. And the third type of task is fixed duration, where resources do not affect the timings of a task. For example, a flight to Sydney will always take 24 hours, even if more resources are added into the task. And the last concept to consider is effort-driven, and this is an option you can select when choosing your types of tasks. And this is only available for fixed duration and fixed units. So if you add or remove a resource to a task, the duration will decrease or increase accordingly. So to take a look at Microsoft Project, you can change the type of task by clicking on the task to open up the task information dialog box. In the Advanced tab, you can change your task type here. You can also select whether it's effort driven by clicking on this checkbox here. Hopefully you will have a better understanding of the types of tasks after watching this video, as well as being able to use these to affect your project scheduling.